Welcome to Learning Module 12 for ED 584. Just as an introduction, tell you a little bit about the photo for this learning module. It's one that I took in the Craters of the Moon National Monument, which is in eastern Idaho. It's about an hour's drive west of Idaho Falls, and it's about an hour and a half, maybe a little bit less than that, north and east of Twin Falls. I highly recommend if you ever want to go exploring in southern Idaho, this would be a place to see, maybe on your way to Yellowstone or the Tetons or other parts, scenic parts of southeastern Idaho. It's the Craters of the Moon, and it's near Arco. This module addresses linear regression. Most specifically, the focus will be on simple linear regression, but there will also be an introduction to multiple linear regression. Linear regression is a statistical procedure used to determine the equation of a regression line to a set of data points. This regression equation can then be used to predict values of one factor, given known values of a second factor in a population. Linear regression can be used to describe and analyze any number of factors. The primary focus of this module is to examine the relationship between two factors using simple linear regression. And just as a little bit of a side, when I started at Virginia Tech, my doctoral research courses, my advisor put me into multiple regression before I took the other foundational basic stats courses and quantitative research courses. So I was lost. But then when I did take those other courses, it did kind of help me to make sense of linear regression, both simple and also multiple regression. The assignments and activities for this learning module in the readings for this module is we'll have you read chapter 16 from the statistics for the behavioral sciences, and that's on linear regression. We'll have you read the whole chapter. There's a supporting PowerPoint, as we have had in all of the learning modules, and the password is available on Blackboard Learn, and that PowerPoint goes over the details of linear regression. If you have the time and want to do some practice regression problems, we've got some practice problems in the assignments on Blackboard Learn. From the How to Use SPSS, read Chapter 5.3, Simple Linear Regression, and also Chapter 5.4, Multiple Linear Regression. I put on two YouTube videos. One of the YouTube videos is on linear regression. The other one is on multiple regression. And I've also have in this learning module a PowerPoint on the basics of APA. Some of the errors that I found with doctoral students, with graduate students, some of the errors that seem to be the most prominent, and I've provided a PowerPoint to discuss those and show you how to correct those for APA formatting. There will be the 10-point quiz. This is quiz number 10, and it addresses the textbook, chapters 15 and 16. As with all the other quizzes, 2 attempts will be allowed, and we will count the highest score. Then there's also the Module 12 reflective commentary, and the link is provided in Blackboard Learn. We are moving into April, and at the end of this month will be when the final project, we're getting close to when the final project, the paper will be due. But at the end of April, I will be in Moscow, and that is when we will have the final project presentations. And I'll also be in Coeur d'Alene when I'm up north. If you will not be able to make the meeting in Moscow, and I will be setting that date and time here soon, or getting everything finalized on that. If you will not be able to attend, you will need to put together a video of your presentation, and I would appreciate it if you could let me know if or if you can't attend that final class meeting. As always, feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Take care.